What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So let me know how you guys like the new setup. I bought a green screen and looks like the background is going to be removed, so you can just see my face looking at the chart. So let me know how you guys like the new setup. I think it's going to add more production quality into my videos. Another thing is that looks like we're getting a lot more views because I'm doing the videos that most people want to see. And so looks like the channel is growing slowly. But another thing about that is that a lot of you guys are still not subscribed. So make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Let's try to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So let's take a look at the daily chart for BABA. So did my BABA analysis on Wednesday. Wednesday was this big red bar right about here. And you can see that Thursday price traveled higher, tried to fill in the gap that was created by Wednesday, was unable to, and today we just saw a little sell-off too. So this looks like a lower high. It looks like we're still respecting the orange channel, and we could be seeing price reach the opposite side of the orange channel, which is the circle that I've drawn right about here. So it looks like price is still a little overextended, and we could see a continuation towards the downside because we had one large leg up. This was the second large leg up. Market generally moves in twos, so the target was met. We got rejected from the previous resistance at the 102 level. We hit the top side of this orange channel. We were a little bit far away from the EMA, so price was due to correct down lower. So we just saw one drop. There's a good chance we see another drop probably next week. It's not guaranteed, but it looks like that's what BABA is setting up to do. So there's one leg right here. Second leg could start right at the top of those two candle bars on Thursday and Friday, candlesticks, and that would take price right to this black horizontal line that I have at the $90.85 level. So that is a key level because it was previous resistance. Now it has turned into support. So it looks like BABA wants to come back to test it for support, and that's where the support side of the orange channel is also. So we got two supports that BABA can bounce off of. So this is where I'm looking for a bounce if BABA continues to drop down lower. That's what it looks like it's setting up to do. So in the macro picture, it looks like BABA is finding some resistance, and we could continue down lower. So in the micro scale, in the micro time frames, this looks like BABA can drop down lower towards the opposite side of the channel. So that's how I'm looking at BABA in the coming week. It looks like on Thursday, earnings are also due to be reported, and look, it coincides with the support that BABA can bounce from. So if we see a drop down right to this level, there's a good chance that earnings will push up the price. It's not guaranteed, but that's what normally occurs if price is at support. So let's see if BABA can even get there, and let's see if that earnings report will push up price or not. It's estimated to be coming out next Thursday before market open. So let's take a look at the weekly chart now. So here's the weekly chart for BABA, and not much has changed in the grand scheme of things. I'm still keeping my same drawings on here. So basically, we had two legs up from the bottom side of the range. Price will try to reach the opposite side in the form of two attempts. So we had one attempt, two attempts. We're finding some resistance. If this correction is weak, there's a good chance we'll probably see another large leg up. But if it continues to push down through that support level, then we might see BABA at the $80 level. So it just depends on what BABA wants to do. Since we're still below this swing right over here, I'm going to go and circle it. Since price cannot surpass this swing right here, price could be still attempting to reach this measure move target. So sometimes the price gets complex. So it looks like we had a large drop right over here from July 2022 to October 2022. So that's one large drop. Price pulled back. The second drop started from January of this year. So this was the first attempt to reach that target, and this was the second attempt. So it looks like the second attempt stopped at the bottom side of the range. But since the market already had two legs up, then the attempts can reset. So that's what I'm saying. The market can get a little bit more complex. So basically, we had one attempt lower, second attempt, but sometimes the second attempt could be in the form of two legs. So this is technically the second attempt of the second leg. So we had one large leg down, second large leg down, and this is the second attempt to reach it. So we could still see another drop down lower for BABA depending on this correction right here. Let's see if it can stop at that $90 level, and let's see if that earnings can push up price or not. Either way, I'll give you guys an update on Wednesday. So this is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.